Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will explain and show you how you can easily download photos from your iCloud back to the Photos app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And first of all, open your phone settings on your iPhone. After that, go to Apple ID. To do that, you'll need to click right here, where it will write in your name. Next, go to the iCloud section. Now you will see a section called Photos. Click on it. And here you'll see a section like this called Synchronize this iPhone. You just need to turn on this button here so that all of your iCloud photos and your gallery photos, they'll synchronize with each other. And in this simple way, friends, you'll be able to upload your iCloud photos back into the Photos app on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.